Hello and welcome to another episode of Beer Man's No Bull Beer Reviews. Today I have another beer from Burial Brewing Company out of Asheville, North Carolina. This is another beer out of their Ambient Terrain series, or Ambient Terrain Rustic Lager series, which is just a collaboration series with a bunch of different brewers, used with malt that's local to those other breweries that they're collaborating with. So I believe I did I'm not sure if I did one of these or not on here, but the first one, this is the fourth one in the series. The first one that I had was done with Fontaflora, so that's actually how I got it, was through Fontaflora, which that one was fantastic. I attributed most of that to Fontaflora because I like them so much, but I heard this whole series has been great. The second one was with Holy Mountain, which how could that be bad, because Holy Mountain's awesome. I haven't had that. I got to get that one. The third one was with Three Floyds. I like to get that. That one's a smoke lager, which they do smoke beers really well. And then this one that we're going to review today is a collaboration with Oxbow, which is also another one of my favorite breweries. They're out of Massachusetts. This one's called Beacon of the Abyss Bright Lager Burial Oxbow Main Malt House collaboration. Yeah, and that's all. That's really, there's not much other information on the can. As you can see, there's a really nice lighthouse picture there. 5% ABV. That's about all we got. So they're leaving us in the dark a little bit here, but Bright Lager interests me a little bit, so we'll see. Wow, that sounds really carbonated. Just interesting. So, as you can see, it pours a slightly cloudy golden color with a white head that's dissipating pretty quickly. The aroma is lagerific. It has really nice light grain to it. A little bit of earthy, noble hop character. A little bit of corn and a little citrusy too, which is interesting. Man, that's really, really clean. Excuse me. So yeah, man, I think Bright Lager is really appropriate. It's it has a really, really clean malt base. There's a little bit of like pale malt / corn character to it. And then a little bit of grassy herbaceous hops. It's super, super clean and easy to drink. I do really like this. I question what the Oxbow influence is on this. I mean, I guess it's hard to say, because if they're keeping to them just being general lagers, it's kind of stupid. Like, they're not going to throw Oxbow mixed culture yeast in this, or mixed culture bacteria, whatever, in the beer. But I don't know. I just wish there was something different to it that made me, like, to me, the one that was done with Fanta, I really felt like there was a Fanta presence to it, because it was really similar to the lagers that they make themselves. I've never had a lager from Oxbow, so maybe that's why. But I just don't see anything in this that makes me think that there's Oxbow in it. Excuse me, it's just more of a good lager from Imperial, but I guess it really doesn't matter, what. If Oxbow were making a clean lager, of course, would not have their mixed culture stuff in it, so, But, yeah, this is really, really tasty. I don't remember what it cost, but I know it was, I'm pretty sure it was less than $4 a can, so it was, pretty reasonable, pretty good stuff. I would definitely buy this again. It was kind of hard. It's kind of hard for me to say that I would buy a lot of it, only because they had their inner tube there, which is a lot cheaper, but it's also like 3% alcohol. So for a more standard lager, I would probably go with this guy. It's a little more flavorful too, but I would definitely buy this. Really, really nice. If you like really crisp, clean craft lagers, I would go for this. It's really good. So yeah, that's all I got on this guy. Please like, comment, subscribe. Let me know what you think, and I look forward to doing the next one. Thanks.